In this video, we are going to be doing a clearing of the denominators. So we're going to be looking at, as you see, we have a variable here, but we do have a fraction here. So very infrequently, we do have a situation where we do have a denominator that is involved where the x variable is. So we need to be able to do what's called clearing the denominator and getting rid of it so that we are able to solve it a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is we have a division of 5. So normally we usually add and subtract when we're doing multi-step equations. But in this case, we're actually going to divide by whatever is in the denominator. So in this case, it's 5. Now here's where we got to be careful. We're going to multiply by 5 over here. Easy enough. Over here on this side, we also need to make sure that we do everything on this side. So it's not just one thing. You have to multiply by 5 on everything. So now what happens here is this is going to clear that out. We're going to be left here with this numerator, 3, and then the 2x minus 4 in parentheses. And then over here, we have the 5 that we multiplied times the 2 minus the x. So now we're going to go ahead and start to work on the distributive. 3 times 2 is 6, and this is x's. 3 times minus 4 is a negative 12, or a minus 12. And then we're going to do the distributive over here. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times minus x is a minus 5x. Now we're going to go ahead and start to solve. I am going to add my 5x on both sides, and that's going to give me a total of 11x's over here, minus the 12, and then over on the other side, all I have left is 10. We're going to get that 12 out of there by adding it to both sides. And when we do that, we're left with 11x over here, and on this side, we're equal to 22. Last step, divide both sides by 11 to get x by itself, and we get x equaling 2. And that would be our finalized answer. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check this one out under the Clearing the Denominators section.